Hello witches and wizards, and welcome back to Love Good Bath Potions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Accio box unboxing. This one is for October of 2018, and this one is the potions box. I am super excited to see what all is inside. I only know of one item so far, so let's just get started. If you guys do not know what Accio box is, it is a monthly subscription box put together by Potterheads for Potterheads. They are completely vegan and cruelty-free, and they're actually the only fan-based vegan subscription box there is, which is completely amazing. So let's get started. Got my favorite scissors here. Let's see if I can do this. That's a lot easier than it normally is. I normally have a hard time with that. Big reveal with the red paper on the inside. Every month they put the red tissue paper inside for me because I'm obviously a Gryffindor. So say you're Hufflepuff, they'll put yellow. If you're Slytherin, they'll put green. It's just like a cute little touch that they do, and I think that it's so personalized, and I love that so much. So let's see. Let's open it up. First thing is always the little pamphlet. I'm not even gonna look at it. I don't want to see it. Let's just put that over there. And they always put this crinkle paper. Let's see. What do I see first? Okay, the first thing that I see it's like little measuring spoons, but it says Potion Master on the top of it, and it's red. I'm guessing this is the house item. Every single month they send you one house item, which is either in your color or something themed in your house. This is adorable. I'm gonna keep this in the studio. I'm gonna use this. I'll probably use this every single day. I think this is so cute, the Potions Master. It looks like really good quality. It's really unique. It's a very unique item. I love this. I love this so much. Let's see if I can do this. It looks like they snap off. Oh, that's easy. Okay. They do snap off really easily. Let's see how easy it is to put it back on. Oh, that's simple. That's just, oh. That's so simple. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use these all the time. All the time. I'm gonna use these every time I have to make anything. And I'm really, really excited about these. That's so cool. Okay, let's see what else is in here. First thing I see is Pepper Up Potion. It's a shower steamer bar. I myself have tried to make shower steamers and I had absolutely no luck. So I'm really excited to see how well this will work. I'm really excited. Ooh, it's very refreshing. That will wake you up in the morning. That smells really good. I just cleaned my sinuses right then. I cannot wait to use this. I've been I don't know if I'm sick lately or if it's just my allergies, but this will be perfect. I'll probably break this up into a couple of bars and use this. I'm really excited. Who is this made by? This is made by Uplift Naturals. I'm really excited to try this. This smells amazing. The next thing, this is a soap. Let's open it up. FELIX Liquid Luxe Soap. Ooh, that smells really good. Oh wow, that smells really good. This is made by Pop Soap, Let's Get Dirty. All vegan natural soap, handmade in Houston, Texas. Their website is popsoapshop.com. This is an Accio box edition FELIX Liquid Luxe Soap. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm not sure what it is scented in, but it is fantastic. This smells Let's see if I can use my sniffers. I think it has like an orange peel in it. I'm getting orange or like zesty. Ooh, that smells really good. Let's see if I can. Yep, peppermint and orange. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. You guys know me. I like soap. I like bath products. This is right up my alley. It smells really good. It smells just like orange, like real orange. Not like a fake orange, but like a real orange. That's really good. Again, this is made by Pop Soap Let's Get Dirty. That's a big piece of soap. Let's just say this is a big piece of soap. This is good. I like that a lot. Let's see what's next. I see a big item and a little item. I'll start with the little item. This is a Muggle-Born Sisters pin. We have another one of their pins, or I've gotten at least one or two of their other pins. I have it over on my lanyard over there. Welcome to Potions class. You are here to learn the subtle science and exact art of potion making. In today's lesson, we'll learn to brew Skelligro. Do well, and you may even avoid a scolding from a certain professor. I wonder who that is. Okay, let's see. Let's take it out here. These pins are always so adorable. Like, they're such good quality, and I love that they make these little backings for them. The backings are also really adorable as well. I'm gonna put this on my lanyard with all my other ones. At first, I was just keeping them all on the little backings like this, and I just like put them on my shelf, but then it hit me like, why don't I just put them all on my lanyard? Like, what is wrong with me? So that's what I did. So that's where this one's gonna go, and I'm really excited. This is the one that I knew about, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited. Let's see. It's a t-shirt, and it's a black t-shirt, which I love black t-shirts. That's my favorite. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Let's see, what does it say? Authentic Felix Felicis potion, liquid luck. This is adorable. And I have said this before, Accio box is mediums. This is what I order. The medium, it is quite big, which I am 100% fine with. I love bigger shirts. There's so much that you can do with them. You can DIY with them, or you can just like put them over anything. I love the graphics on this. I think this is so adorable. And again, it's just enough Harry Potter. It's not like, you know, other Potterheads are gonna notice this, and it's just enough, and it's so cute. You could wear this every day. Honestly, this is just, it's perfect. It also says Accio on the back. Let's read the pamphlet, and then I'll probably put the shirt on just to see what it looks like. And plus, whenever I get a new Accio box shirt, I always wear it that day, like no matter what. I don't even wash it, I just put it on. Which is probably really gross, but I don't have a washing machine right now, so I just really want to wear it, okay? I'm excited. While it may not help you cheat at sports or collect memories with consent, this super soft tee with its vintage style logo is sure to become a favorite fall piece to layer under hoodies, scarves, or wizard robes. It is designed in-house just for us, so you can't get it anywhere else. What did you expect? Pumpkin juice? As soon as we saw this adorable Skelligro pin by Muggle-Born Sisters, we knew we had to have our subscribers have one. Each 1-inch pin is crafted from fine jeweler's metal with hard enamel that comes on a custom-designed backing card that looks just like a shelf full of potions. Find more of their magical creations at mugglebornsisters.com. Ah, fall, the cool air, the colorful leaves, and the beginning of the cold and flu season. Luckily, Accio has you covered with all the natural shower steamers from our exclusive Madame Pumphrey's Apothecary line. Drop it on the floor of your shower and let the minty vapors clear the way of free breathing once again. Cruelty-free and always made just for us by Uplifting Naturals. These cute and practical spoon sets in house colors will make it easy to accurately brew your favorite sleeping draught, confusing concoction, or, you know, banana bread. When we met the folks at Pop Soap Shop at LeakyCon this year, we knew their cruelty-free vegan soaps would be a perfect addition to our box. We commissioned these potion-themed soaps just for you, and your box contains one of 2 possible scents: a Mortentia, a Citrus, or a FELIX Felicis, a cool, clean peppermint. Find more at popsoapshop.com. Citrus in mine, I kind of smell peppermint, but I wonder what the Mortentia one smells like. If mine is supposed to be more pepperminty. Either way, it smells really good. If you guys would like to get your own Accio box subscription, make sure to use code LOVEGOOD to get 15% off of your first order. Now, this doesn't work for the multiple subscriptions, like the 3-month or the 6-month, but it's still 15% off. Like, that's awesome. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.